Our first power outage. Look at the meter. It's dead. Nothing. No power. Let's go in the house. Hold on just a second. Pips is running fine. Let's take a look at this one. We got only using 62 watts. 3%. That's about normal. This one here. $118 watts. 4%. That's about normal too. See this one here. %. Running 440 watts there. Get you a better picture. But everybody else have no lights, and we have power today. The hottest day of the year. Let's see what the temperature is. Hold on just a second. Okay, it's 1:19 p.m. Power been off for about an hour. Outdoor temperature 97.3. Indoor temperature 83.3. Still a little warm in here, but at least we can run our ceiling fans and have lights and watch TV. Still cooler than it is outdoors. So I'm happy for that. This is the first time we ever got to run without the lights, so the pips done paid for themselves already. Okay. Thanks for watching.